Hi everyone, welcome to my birthday vlog. It's right now June 14, 11:55 p.m. 5 minutes to my birthday and 5 minutes to my 23-year-old self. Hi 23-year-old Swami. So before I begin my 24th birthday and go into the new year, I first want to thank my 23-year-old self. Swami, you did really good. I'm super proud of you. Even though when you had faced hardship, you came out of it on the other side strong. And I know in the coming years also, you're gonna do the same thing. And I love you so much. And thank you everyone for all the lovely birthday wishes. Come and celebrate my bucket list birthday with me.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, I need to cut.
Happy birthday. You're gonna make a wish first. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
The next day.
Welcome to my birthday vlog. I am right now very excited because this is my bucket list birthday vlog and I am going to Cedar Point. It's an roller coaster adventure park in Ohio. It's one of the best roller coaster parks in Ohio. I have been wanting to go in Cedar Point for so long, and you know they say everything happens in a perfect timing. No wonder why for last years I wasn't able to go to Cedar Point, because I was meant to go to Cedar Point in my birthday. I'm so happy about that and I'm so excited about that, and come along to take a ride with me, pun intended. This is my whole outfit. Let's go. And before I head to the Cedar Point, I get to choose a free treat from Starbucks. I am at Starbucks and I got my free coffee. It's white chocolate mocha. I didn't know they would put whipped creams, and they gave me whipped cream. I love it. People happy, you do for sure. Roller coaster, here I come. This is the whole coaster.
give it.
We just went on the Steel Vengeance ride, and how was it?
Steel Vengeance is the best ride at Cedar Point.
Yes,
Yeah, I agree with that.
yes, it's my favorite. Yeah, it was very scary too.
It feels like something will hit your face.
Yes, it was. Oh my god, I was jumping up and down from the seat, and it's like if I just leave my hand, I will fly out.
Oh, he lost his rosary.
Yeah, I would become the rosary if I would leave my hand. How did you enjoy?
Crazy.
Crazy?
I can go again.
Yeah, oh, I would also go again. I was scared in the first drop.
Yeah.
After that, I liked it.
We were just getting used to it.
Yes. After having some food, we are going to the Top Thrill 2, and you can see here what the information about the ride. Oh, I'm excited. Let's go.
One eternity later.
Members are present. Attention drivers.
Top Thrill 2 is now my number one ride at Cedar Point. It's so fast, so
Yeah.
cool.
You
Best
and-
time ever, best time
It
ever.
passed the Steel Vengeance.
Oh yeah, I think it's
Oh.
the best Steel Vengeance for me.
Wow. Yes, it was really amazing.
Yeah.
You see that? That's the track, and where people are watching. Right now it's 7:45 p.m. and we are at Magnum. This is going to be our 6th ride. It is called Hypercoaster. We just got done, and that was a brutal ride. It was very hard on my back and on my thighs. It was jolty. I'm having fun so far. It's 8:14, 1.5 hours left for the park to close. I don't want this day to be over. Let's make it for the rest of the 1.5 hours there. This was my last roller coaster ride of the day for my birthday. We rode 8 roller coasters, like 7 roller coasters, 1 kid ride. I am so happy to spend my 24th birthday this way. I love it. Bye, Cedar Point. Yeah, I had a great birthday.
3 days later.
It's 3 days back, and right now I am again here in Cedar Point. This is how much I love Cedar Points and I love rides. My birthday hasn't ended yet. I am here at the Cedar Point, day 2.
I'm liking it too much.
Yay! Right now we are here for some food. We are very hungry, so we are having pizza and pasta. This is the lunch we are having. Look how big the pizza is. Our next ride is this giant wheel. So much line. giant wheel? How's that feeling? On to ride number 5, which is a new one called Blue Streak, and it's on thrill level 4. So it's a baby ride. What do you think? It's a baby ride?
I think so.
And this is the first ride after so long where I can get my phone with me, like second ride. Otherwise, no phone is allowed.
What's your favorite ride?
Oh, my favorite ride is Top Thrill 2 and Steel Vengeance. And then second is Millennium Force. How was the Blue Streak?
The blue stick was very bumpy.
Yep. It
My
was.
neck hurt.
It was really bumpy. Let's see about how corkscrew is. We are now waiting in the line for corkscrew. Half of our crew left us, so right now it's just me and Marius. This is my another new roller coaster ride which I haven't done on Monday.
2 seconds later.
We did corkscrew, but that was the shortest ride ever, and now we are at the Rougarou, which is similar to the Raptor, so I'm excited about that. Rougarou was really good. Now we are in Iron Dragon, as its wait time is only 30 minutes. So we can do that. I really want to go again on the Siren Curse right behind me, but that's wait time is 120 minutes.
But I can go to the barcode.
Look how big the fish is. We just bought a single pass fast lane, and then we were waiting for the ride, and that ride broke down. We were waiting for Siren Curse, and we paid a lot for fast pass lane, and it broke down. So right now we are waiting, giving it another 15 minutes. Hope so it starts working again. What are you doing? Siren Curse work. I feel like the roller coaster has literally gotten cursed by Siren. They are test driving it right now.
Germany definitely does. I don't know if France has that. I know Germany has a good amount. Germany has some. Yeah, Germany and
Sorry to interrupt, but while I was editing the video, some of my clips went missing. I don't know how. But long story short, we eventually did end up riding the Siren Curse, and it was awesome. So it's finally time to say bye. I don't want to go home, but my friends are tired, so that's why we are going home. Bye, Cedar Point. I hope I come here again soon.
Never mind.
Well, we are not yet done. We are going to the carousel right now. Carousel! right now I said bye-bye to my beloved Cedar Point, and now we are going to the Cedar Point beach. Excuse my hair. This is the fun hair of a person who enjoyed riding rides. Today I rode 11 rides, repeating Ocean Motion twice. Overall, a good day. It is said Cedar Point Beach, but it's actually lake. I hate walking in sand, but I am having FOMO. So here I am, going. Woohoo! Look how pretty is this.